Thinking back 4 years ago when I saw the doctor, right, when they were telling me that I was obese, when they were telling me that I was at risk for heart disease and diabetes and all these things, learn about this food that you're eating. You need to learn. You need 30 minutes of, cardio a day. Okay, well, what does that mean to fix your diet? What is that? And I remember when they said that to me, I was so discouraged, thinking like, okay, so you want me to eat salad all the time? Like, what is that? You need to eat healthy. Okay, we need to define what that means. It means a protein, a carb, and a fat, a balance. It doesn't mean that we're eating cookies and candies and sweets and all this stuff. It doesn't mean that we're eating processed food and fast food and all of that. It means we're eating whole foods.